evaluation scenario, and if people don't pass it, then they don't pass the academy and they don't enter into law enforcement. We have not used it that way. As Robert said, first we have to make sure that all of us are training the same way. We're all giving the same feedback. We're all making sure what we're looking for. And the way we've built the scenarios is there's not necessarily a right or wrong answer. We're looking more for those skills that we want them to develop, that they're going to need to be able to think and interact with people in such a way that we feel like they're at the beginning level of performance. And so you'd really have to think about, again, what level, what would be behaviors that we'd want to see from a beginning worker, or a beginning supervisor, then somebody that's been on the job a year or two, and then somebody that's on the job for 5 years or more. And then you'd have to make sure that those were, and Robert, please correct me if I say anything improper, are those really significant? I mean, do they have predictive validity? Are those valid points that you would, and what would those behaviors look like? So just to make sure that you're doing all of that and having that whole thoughtful discussion before you get in the situation where you're making training evaluation of performance rather than evaluation of training.
Okay, thank you, Heidi. I appreciate that clarification. And we've already heard from some of our participants. Tara says that's a really great point. I'd like to get to some of our questions now. Let's see. The first question is about, it's about the use of props. Did that question go?
That was from Douglas. Douglas Cohen responded as well. The original question came from...
How important are the props from the Resource Center? How important are the props to the quality of the